evening, friends. The Wheel of Fortune is our first card, which is showing us there are changes for the better. We must use our intuition to make beneficial changes for ourselves. We have the inner strength now. We have been dealing with a stubborn, aggressive person that was causing lots of turmoil and arguments in our lives, but the angels have stepped in, and you should be starting to feel the peace and harmony and love and fun and enjoyment coming back into your relationship. You must expect the unexpected. Somebody new is entering your life. It's bringing opportunities that are waiting for you, and it's going to bring you happiness. Where there was sorrow over loss and temptation that tested you, you walked away from these things, and there is improvements now in your life. You are going to earn the honor and respect you deserve, and your loved ones say, take time for yourself. Enjoy relaxation activities that nurture your soul. Bring your ideas to life and be open to infinite opportunities and possibilities. Your guardian angels are watching over you, and they're bringing you safety, peace, and joy into your life. You must lay solid foundations, and you will receive success with effort. And while we concentrating on what we have all around us, the universe is working in the background to bring you something that it's going to take you by surprise. And it's going to bring you long-term stability. The thing there says you will receive a gift. Have a lovely evening, everybody. Love you. Night, night.